So here we're trying to work with Harry now, keep him sideways on. He's aligned with his left shoulder, middle stump at the other end. And he's trying to really work hard on those shoulders, not opening them. Good, well played. Lovely shot. Good, keep working. Just keep that left shoulder round, lock it in. Lock it in. All right, keep working. You played it straight, Harry. That's why you got an inside edge. You didn't hit it across it. Good. Beautiful shot. And again, lock it in, lock it in. Good, well played. Lock that shoulder in, lock it in, head, left shoulder. Well played, Harry, good. Oh, Harry, tight leave, that one. Nice timing, Harry. Okay, work hard with those shoulders. Beautiful shape, Harry. Lovely shape. Just opened up with those shoulders a bit. Keep hitting it through mid-on. Harry, we're always looking straight. The rule of thumb, leg side, our front foot never gets outside leg stump. It goes on the liner leg. If the ball comes inside the pad, it's going to hit the inside. We hit it down the ground. If the ball gets outside of the pad, then we look to hit it a bit squarer. That's the rule of thumb. But you've got to hit it straight. If you go to hit it straight, you can always go square. If you go square, you can't come and hit it straight if it swings, yeah? So always think straight. Good, lovely balance. Keep that head weight on that front foot. Bit of a lean on that front foot. Lovely balance, Harry. Beautiful shape. Lovely shape, Harry. Beautiful. And again, weight on your front foot. Lovely balance. Keep working. Good, well weighted. Not quite full as the others, was it? Well played. I bet that was hitting you on the pad before and you'd be out LBW. Yeah, see now, just hitting it straight. Beautiful. Lovely balance, Harry. Good, Harry B. Good, lovely balance. Good. Keep leaning towards it, I don't mind. It should be coming a bit straighter, Harry, but your back's coming through straight. All right, good. Keep coming at the ball. Hit it back at me. Lovely balance. Good. All right, that one could have gone a bit squarer. Just it drifted outside your pad, didn't it? Good. Keep that length. Good. Shot, Harry. Harry, do you see how you transferred your weight? The other thing to be mindful of, when you go offside like that, you get a big stride in. You don't leg side. So when you play leg side, the length changes. You need the ball much fuller to drive because you don't get as big a stride in. Yeah? So, but that was a lovely stride. Beautiful weight transference. Bit straighter. Get it back at me. Good. Keep those shoulders round. Keep round. Played, Harry. Lovely shot. The temptation was to whip it, wasn't it? Beautiful shot. Nice balance, mate. Really good. Lovely, Harry. Beautiful balance. Keep that head still. All right, just wait for the ball a bit longer, yeah? Good. Right, I'm going to do your worst nightmare. I'm going to do a bit of in-swing. You like it out, you like outswing because it goes where your hands are. So I'm going to do a little bit of in-swing with you so you can get those hands really working hard, through mid-on and down the ground. So Harry, if someone's bowling in-swingers to you, where are you looking to hit them? Very straight mid-off and wide mid-on, yeah? Through here. Not your strong area, is it? So let's work hard. It will be when you've got your new technique like this, if you maintain the shape. That's it, really wait for that ball. All right, good. Just wait for it, just hitting it a bit early. Let it come. Well played, Harry, good. Keep your balance, shoulders, everything stays the same. Harry, that because your bat's doing that and the ball's doing that, you know, there's danger, isn't there? So really maintain those shoulders and just get that bat coming through straight. Lovely shot. Played it straight, you might get 2 for that. That's gone quite wide. Lovely shot, Harry. Beautiful. How long is it since you've clipped one like that through mid-wicket? Heads, yeah, normally go a bit aerial. Right, beautiful shot. Just hold your shape. Good. Make sure you're sideways on. Lock that shoulder in. Head and lock it in. Right, 2. Behind square, you might get 2 for that. Right, nice timing. Toes. Gone open now. No, go back. Sideways on. Don't change your technique because you know what's happening to the ball. Straight. I'll play. Good. Just keep hitting it straight down the ground. Good. Keep that head coming at it. Don't fall offside of it. Right, going down. Keep those hands high. Keep working hard with that elbow, Harry. Really strong left elbow. Well played. Harry, because you've played it straight, you've got a thickish edge. That goes behind square. You're going to get 2. And it's all because you played straight. All right, so keep working hard with that top hand and top elbow. Well played. Good. Good. Good shot. Hit it a bit early. Just let the back path take you there. Really wait for it. Well played, Harry. That's the one. Get your weight leaning on that front foot, ball of your foot. Lock your head and shoulder in, weight over that front foot. Good. It's all right. Keep looking, hit it down the ground, straight. Good. Toes, left foot's outside leg. That way. Toes level, a bit more. Right, open that left toe a little bit. Yep, that's it. Ready? Keep that balance, weight over that front foot, Harry. Lock it over that front foot. Lovely shot. Going down. Nice timing. Well played, Harry. That's where you've got to hit it. No, it feels a bit awkward, but that's the area you've got to hit him. Yep, good. That left elbow high. Keep working. Right, we've got last 5. Head over that front foot. Come on, lean onto it slightly. A little weight on that front foot. It's a lovely shot. Okay, just hit it a bit early. Just wait for it. Wait for the ball. 3 to go, Harry. Come on, 3 good ones. Ready? Well played. Lovely. And again. Good. Keep sniffing that ball. Smell the ball. Right, stop there. Well done. Good.